In just a few hours, testimony is set to continue today in the trial of the former Uvalde CISD police officer, Adrian Gonzalez.
Now, more witnesses are expected to take the stand as prosecutors continue their case on 29 counts of child endangerment connected to that Robb Elementary School shooting.
Yeah, Ryan Akor from our sister station in Corpus Christi with what we expect.
This morning we'll begin with what was arguably the most emotional testimony of Monday. Prosecution and defense will continue questioning the sole survivor of the classrooms that were targeted in the shooting. In room 111, Arnulfo Reyes had turned on a movie for his 14 students before horror erupted.
What did you see?
A black shadow.
And what was the black shadow doing?
The black shadow was holding a gun. And I know that he was holding a gun because I just saw the fire come out of the gun.
Reyes taking gunfire before the shooter targeted his kids.
He hit me on my arm, and that's when I fell to the ground. And then after I fell to the ground, he came around and he shot the kids.
His testimony wrapping up day 6 of another difficult day in the Nueces County courtroom, which began with 3 Texas Rangers taking the stand. The prosecution believes former Uvalde CISD officer Adrian Gonzalez failed to act and concentrated on his training.
So when an officer hears shooting but can't see shooting, what does the officer do?
Runs to the shooting.
His training is to definitely, the standards are set to isolate, distract, and neutralize.
Defense has maintained that Gonzalez acted with what he knew, with defense attorney Nico LaHood even using a foam orange handgun to discuss tactics.
I know what you meant by it, because a police officer that's dead is no good to anybody, right?
That's correct.
Victims' families were in the courtroom Monday when graphic images and even surveillance video of the shooting was shown. They'll be in the courtroom again this morning at 9 a.m. when court resumes in the Nueces County Courthouse. In Corpus Christi, I'm Rania Kaur, sending it back to you.